User-generated content ads are rapidly changing the advertising landscape, offering brands a fresh, authentic way to connect with their audiences. Unlike traditional ads, which are often polished and carefully scripted, UGC ads harness the voices and stories of real people. This shift isn't just about following a trend. It's about meeting consumers where they are, in spaces that feel genuine and trustworthy. To start this challenge, the first step is understanding what makes UGC ads so effective. At their core, they thrive on authenticity. When viewers see real people sharing honest opinions and genuine experiences, it creates a sense of credibility that's hard to replicate with scripted content. People want to see themselves reflected in the brands they support, and UGC is a powerful way to achieve that connection. But creating UGC ads that truly stand out isn't as simple as asking someone to post a review or snap a quick selfie with your product. The content needs to feel spontaneous, yet aligned with your brand's voice and values. That balance between authenticity and consistency is at the heart of every successful UGC campaign. One major hurdle is ensuring the content doesn't feel forced. Audiences today are incredibly savvy. They can quickly spot when a post has been overly staged or when a testimonial sounds too good to be true. To avoid this, it's important to empower creators with creative freedom. Give them a clear sense of your brand's story and values, but let them interpret it in their own way. This freedom leads to content that's not only engaging, but also credible. Standing out in a crowded digital space is another challenge. With thousands of posts flooding social feeds every minute, capturing attention requires a spark of creativity. Some brands have succeeded by encouraging their communities to share unique stories, challenges, or even fail moments with their products, showcasing the human side of their brand. Others have found success in tapping into trending topics or social movements, weaving their brand message into conversations that matter to their audience. Consistency is also key. While UGC is all about variety and authenticity, there should still be a thread that ties each piece of content back to your brand's identity. This could be a consistent visual style, a recognizable hashtag, or a signature tone of voice. Over time, these elements help build brand recognition and trust. Measuring success is the final piece of the puzzle. Engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares are a good starting point, but it's important to dig deeper. Track how UGC ads influence website visits, signups, or purchases. Analyze which types of content drive the most meaningful interactions. By understanding what works and what doesn't, you can refine your approach and create even more impactful UGC campaigns. One standout strategy is partnering with micro-influencers. These creators may have smaller followings, but their audiences are highly engaged and loyal. Their recommendations can carry significant weight, often leading to higher engagement and conversion rates than partnerships with larger influencers. Brands can also look inward, encouraging employees to share their own experiences. Employee-generated content can be especially powerful, offering an insider's perspective that adds depth and relatability to your brand. Experimentation is vital. Try different formats, like short-form videos, behind-the-scenes live streams, or interactive polls. Each format offers unique opportunities to engage audiences and create memorable experiences. Ultimately, creating amazing UGC ads is an ongoing journey of creativity, strategy, and collaboration. By focusing on authenticity, empowering creators, and continually refining your approach, you can build ads that not only capture attention, but also inspire loyalty and trust. If you've learned something new or have your own thoughts on UGC ads, I'd love to hear from you. Leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on effective advertising strategies.